Greetings, everyone. I'm about 4 days away from getting my inspection on the foundation forms and got a little bit of cleanup to do, and I want to check out a couple things. The first thing I want to do is I borrowed a concrete vibrating tool that helps settle the concrete down into the forms, and I just want to make sure it fits down in the forms because the way I designed that top double rebar, there's not a lot of room to put anything down in the form next to that rebar. So I want to see if that fits. And then the other thing I really need to do before the inspection is the footings at the bottom with all the winter rain and snow and everything. A lot of those sloughed in, so it's the edges of the footings aren't real square, and they've got a lot of loose dirt, and so I want to get that scraped up and out of there so the footings look nice and neat and there's no debris at the bottom, because most likely that's something that the inspector would call me on. And I also want to confirm that I have 3-inch clearance to any rebar that might be down in the footing. So that's the goal for today. So let's start with seeing if that tool will fit down in the forms for vibrating the concrete. Here's what that tool looks like. So I think actually first thing I'll do is get the generator out and see if it runs. All right, let's see if this dude works. That sounds like it. Okay, wasn't sure if that was working. It didn't seem like it was making that vibrating noise, but I guess you got to have a little pressure on the end of it to really get it rattling. All right, let's go see if it fits in the foundation. That looks pretty good. I'll go check it in a couple other spots, but I think we are going to be pretty good with that. So the cement vibrating tool worked great, fitting in. I checked multiple spots on the foundation, and it fits, and it's tall enough to get all the way down to the bottom portion of the foundation. So I'm going to start cleaning out the ditches, and some people may think it's a little excessive, but got myself a new shop vac. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scratch with a hammer or something to square up the bottom of the footings, and hopefully I can suck the dirt out with and other debris out with the shop vac. So let's see how that works. I'm almost wondering if I should do a video on how to put a wet dry vac together. I thought it'd be pretty well assembled looking at the size of the box, but I guess not. All right, let's go see if this thing sucks. That seems like it works pretty good. I just found a spot right under there, a bend where I don't have 3 inches clearance, so I'm gonna get down there with the hammer and scoop a little bit of that out just to make sure I got the clearance, and I'll continue on. So day 2 of cleaning out the trenches, and I brought the leaf blower today, which really helped blowing a lot of the leaves out. The leaves were really getting caught in the shop vac when I was cleaning out the trenches, so basically left off here. So this morning, come around and I'm to here, and you can see the difference in the amount of rubble. So I'm just trying to get most of it out so it'll pass inspection. The other thing I'm going around to is I'm also adding some more dobies on those piers. I didn't have a whole lot when I first did them, so I want to get all 4 corners supported rather than just in the middle. So I'm adding a few more of those. And Kerri came here today to help me clean out the trenches. Sweet. This is great.
Let's do it.
So I've had some questions, and one of the questions is that hard? I mean, it's not easy digging in the dirt, rolling around on your belly, low crawling like you're in the army. But it's not fun and it's not easy, but it's doable. And it's so good to finish the job and look back on what you did and have some accomplishment. So one of the things that I think is hard is getting over this ladder, just to get out of here, to get up and over the foundation boards. For me is really scary. So to prove to my students that we can do hard things and that we should do hard things, I'm going to record myself. It's very humbling. Wish me luck. You make it look so easy.
You got this.
I don't like it. I don't like it. But I can do it.
That's right.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I stepped there just a little bit. I don't like it, but I can do it. Okay, I can do it. Oh, okay, I can do it. I don't like it. I can do it. Did it.
Like homework? I don't like it, but I can do it?
Yeah.
Ooh, that made dust. Do we have to go in there for anything? Yeah, my water bottle's in there.
No!
I was doing a little organizing on the mini garage and found this level. So apparently I stepped on it while it was sitting on top of something because
It's not supposed to look like that?
no,
Ah.
no, that's for the special walls, right?
Right.
So this is the end of day 2 of cleaning the bottom of the foundation form trenches.
We have clean trenches.
It is a Saturday and Monday is our inspection. So we're all set to go for inspection and we're going to see what happens from there.
Yes.
I want to thank you guys for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Again? Oh, yeah. This was what? Pinot.